At the last end, when we are
So this is Mamime. This town is called Mamime, near Laworshime in the Keta municipality. A pregnant woman is being carried from this place all the way to Abo, and they will have to walk for about 2 hours or even more, crossing bridges, dilapidated ones, until they reach Abo, which is the nearest health center or hospital. This place, they don't have hospital, they don't have health posts, nothing like that. So this is a pregnant woman being carried by these men, and a woman is accompanying them to the clinic. They have to walk all this while. Now the question is, how long can these people endure this? They have been voting all these years. They want government to do something about this situation. It's a very sad situation here. We got here and we saw this. We have one of the residents of the town who would like to speak to. So tell us more about this situation. How do you always cope, especially with pregnant women like this?
Yes, please, it's how we will do. Anytime we face a problem like this is how we, along the line, the person will die. You know, see a baby too, you know, see the woman too.
Wow. So have you complained?
Yes, we keep complaining, but nobody is listening to us. That is our problem. Yeah.
What do you want government?
Yeah, now we want the government to look after us, because where we are suffering. When you come here, you see a lot of farm here, a lot of things are here, but we don't have the road, the good road. So if you get the road, the good condition of road, we will do a lot of things here. So that is what you want.
Okay. So we would like to get more people to speak to, especially our women who have to go through all this, and the elderly, just to seek health care, because there are none, not even a single health post in this. I just met a pregnant woman coming all the way from Abo to Mami Me. But the cuckoo, for my pay, I don't go and make banafu. I need a conji cotton. Oh, but time I'm a pot there, I look up for my pot that the no zone choke have to go to a fever doctor.
My pay, not of me for Pamanto. A bamacho, mammy, my ear, Cogia. Ọmọ mọ fún abẹ ga dẹmú mọ náà ló máa yà bọ alábẹ nkanara mi kaba ní mi yìí ní mi gbọ kaba hàn ẹzù wù àná ndọkùjọ huhu àmì afẹ gbọgbọ hàn ẹzù dọ táà rẹ dìbà tẹnà mi ahùn tá mọ fọn díẹ ẹyì ní gbọgbọ mi yẹn ṣe mọ tó wá yìí nàrà fún mi rẹ mọ zọ tó àtọwọdọ wù kẹkẹ ẹ bá yìí má hàn rẹ mọ zọ tó má mi àmà fi yìí tá mi fún pọ màá fi ẹ yọ ẹ kúrú fi ọkọ mi yẹn là fi ẹ mi fún pọ mọ ntọ. Nanaka o na mi ta fla ti okula la jore jiyan se ayo ajoro chi ga ma kple awon anyo mi ga no nyan to ha anyi mi ga no jore gba ma ala ba nka anwu chi kona ano nyi jan hu ka ya ro ha to godo ma ro ha to godo afi ohu ko ga akom abo ta bi fi anwo ba chi omo ton le omo ton le
Ọmọ Tonia, Banto Velia,
Nana Mokata, no, Baglo, Rokonami, Re Passama, and she mean out of Koji. More quilla. More flood jewel, to me, I'm your book on me in a Kojiako. Let me got a woman back up on a motor or call me a cocoa ye. Yan yagbo, Kaba.
She said this is the third pregnancy or the third child she's expecting, and the first, the second was like that, the same process. She has to walk all the way from this town to Hatogodo the next village, which is very far, and then from there, maybe take a bike to Abo to seek health care. What they are asking for from the government is to construct a road, because when we started the journey, we crossed a lot of footbridges, very, very dilapidated. I even thought I was going to fall in it. So they are asking government to do something about this situation, especially when it rains. We understand it's a different situation altogether. Let's look for more people so we can talk to them on the real situation on the ground. So we have another gentleman in the town. So we want to find out from him, apart from the other things they mentioned, he was talking about electricity. So tell us about other challenges like electricity.
Oh, nyata fe mi ofia mi la mi fu pa mala gbegbeja. E mi hiana adzo ike anu mi agbo. Aba mi la kopo ma. Ap mi ason mi avio na za don hare mi kona o. Akona re ko ye. O afima o ba mi la fu pa mala gbegbeja ba. Kaka mi akomaro akoina o be chi amoji. Mi to na gbona ba fam. Pakplu. Ana nyefu re na mi la gbegbeja.
Uchina moji aleke.
Fia okunara moji. Okunara moji.
So he said that they want electricity. There is no light in the community. From here to Laworshime, they don't have electricity. And aside that, he is still insisting on the construction of the road, because sometimes when they carry people who are sick to the neighboring town, the bigger town, that is Abo, some of them die on the way. Children, pregnant women, elderly people, some of them unfortunately die on the way before they even get to the hospital. This morning, before we got here, we were told that someone died this morning and they had to carry the person the same manner they carry sick people, or those who, pregnant women, or those who are sick, children, the elderly. The same way they carry them, they carry the dead person to the mortuary, all the way from this place, Mamime, through to Laworshime to Hatogodo, before they were able to get a bike with a corpse to the hospital in Abo. We are hoping that government listens to them. We will speak with the MCE for the area, who said earlier on, some time back, that one of his priority is road construction, especially through the farming communities. So we'll speak to him and see what he will have to say, or what he has to say about this particular situation.